Bhopal gas tragedy, India, 1984. The Bhopal gas tragedy is considered one of the deadliest industrial accidents in history. A gas leak from a pesticide plant released a toxic cloud of methyl isocyanate gas, exposing thousands of people. The incident resulted in the immediate deaths of thousands and long-term health complications for survivors. Sverdlovsk anthrax outbreak, Russia, 1979. The accidental release of anthrax spores from a Soviet military facility in Sverdlovsk, now Yekaterinburg, resulted in an outbreak of inhalation anthrax. The incident caused at least 66 fatalities and led to widespread concern over the dangers of biological weapons production and storage. Fukushima nuclear disaster, Japan, 2011. Following a massive earthquake and subsequent tsunami, the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant experienced multiple meltdowns, releasing radioactive materials into the environment. The incident led to the evacuation of thousands of residents and had long-term consequences for human health and the environment. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, outbreak. Global, 2002-2003. The SARS outbreak originated in China and quickly spread to several countries. It caused severe respiratory illness and led to over 8,000 cases and nearly 800 fatalities worldwide. The virus was traced back to a zoonotic transmission from bats to humans. H1N1 influenza pandemic. Global, 2009-2010. The H1N1 influenza virus, also known as swine flu, caused a global pandemic. The virus originated in pigs and was transmitted to humans. It spread rapidly, resulting in widespread illness and over 18,000 deaths worldwide. Ebola outbreak, West Africa, 2014-2016. The Ebola virus outbreak in West Africa was the largest and deadliest in history. It claimed over 11,000 lives and had devastating social and economic impacts. The lack of adequate healthcare infrastructure and limited resources exacerbated the crisis. Chernobyl disaster, Ukraine, 1986. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion released a massive amount of radioactive material into the environment. The incident resulted in immediate deaths, long-term health effects, and environmental contamination. It remains one of the most significant nuclear accidents in history. Hantavirus outbreak, United States, 1993. An outbreak of hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, HPS, occurred in the southwestern United States, primarily affecting the Four Corners region. The virus was transmitted through contact with infected rodent droppings. The outbreak resulted in numerous fatalities and raised awareness about the risks of zoonotic diseases. Legionnaire's disease outbreak, United States, 1976. An outbreak of severe pneumonia occurred during a Legionnaire's convention in Philadelphia. The disease was caused by Legionella bacteria, which had spread through the convention's air conditioning system. The outbreak resulted in numerous illnesses and deaths. Hendra virus outbreak, Australia, 1994. The Hendra virus, transmitted from fruit bats to horses and then to humans, caused a series of outbreaks in Australia. The virus resulted in several human fatalities and led to the culling of infected horses to prevent further spread. These incidents underscore the importance of stringent safety measures, effective response protocols, and ongoing research to prevent and mitigate the risks associated with biological accidents and outbreaks.